Well, Twitter's staff is once again shrinking. Employees reportedly resigned en masse. That means a bunch of them at the same time after billionaire boss Elon Musk presented them with an ultimatum. He said, get hardcore or get out.
面对硬核的工作要求，超过500名推特员工选择打包走人。员工不再只能委曲求全，而是有更多的选择，就连工时也开始出现改变。
The pandemic is a big part of why we're back on the path. The fact that people don't want to work so many hours, and the fact that there are labor shortages in a lot of places. So that all pushes us in the direction of work time reduction.
过去几十年来，周休2日，一周40小时的基本工时可能不再是常态。
The 4-day work week that we're talking about is not for 10-hour days, so it's not a 40-hour work week, but a 32-hour work week done over 4 days. And the other crucial part of it is that workers are not being asked to give up pay, so they're getting 5 days of pay for 4 days of work.
包括美国、爱尔兰、澳洲，超过30间企业上千名员工就进行为期半年的周休3日实验，发现产值还有表现力都大幅提升，公司年收入增加超过8%。如果是跟2021年同期的6个月相比，公司收入更是增加了37.55%。
It's important to understand that the 4-day week is relevant not just for white-collar workers, but for blue-collar workers too, and pink-collar workers. Many of the firms that we see doing it today are white-collar firms, so the tech firms have been leading on this, but we're also seeing it in finance, marketing, design, etc. It's not only those firms. We have healthcare firms in our trials. We have restaurants. We have retailers.
但却不是每个产业都适合周休3日。洛杉矶一间市场调查公司就发现，在试行周休3日的制度之后，员工的压力反而变大了。
I think the risk of the 4-day work week is around coordination. You've got to be very attentive to coordination of when people are working and when they aren't, so you can get customer needs met. If you just implement a 4-day work week and it damages customer relationships, that's pretty bad.
但跟市场调查公司相反的是，迈阿密的这间炸鸡连锁店推出一周40个小时、周休4日的上班制度，意外大获好评。
The biggest thing that we saw was a really big boost in morale and positivity in the workplace, just because of the fact that they were coming in a lot more refreshed than what they had been previously when they were working, a long 5-day week. Weekends in particular were something that really started to notice a large increase in productivity because previously they worked every single Saturday.
但专家认为，周休4日一天工时长达10多个小时，恐怕不是每个人都吃得消，长期下来可能造成反效果。目前加州就有众议员推动减少基本工时，希望能从40个小时减低到32个小时。阿拉伯联合大公国更是从今年起成为第一个宣布周休2天半的国家，但专家认为这些都不是最理想的工作制度。
People are built differently, and some people want to work 40 hours, some people want to work 50 hours. Some people want to work a little bit on weekends. So if you put one policy in place that limits people, it could cause more stress. Because people feel that they can't get the work done that they want to get done because they're limited in terms of how long they can work. So that's where I think it can become problematic.
人力资源专家就认为，未来不只是工作地点可以有更多的变化，就连工作时数也会有更多的选择。更多公司将会是以工作绩效作为标准，而不是硬性规定工作时间。透过更多元的上班模式，能改变职场的工作效率。TVBS 新闻综合报道。